everyone, my name is Taranpreet and welcome to my channel Garden Stories. So in today's video I'll show you how to make a personalized gift for our loved ones. So let's watch the video. For this you need a plant. I'm using this baby plant, soil, scissor, a jar, some knots, brushes, obviously paint, cotton, some decorative laces, perlite and some other decorative items. So I decided to paint this jar to make it more pretty. So let's do this. Golden glitter. I decided to dab it here and there roughly on the jar to make it more quirky. Decided to make it really simple. I'm tying this jute rope. I'm fixing this with Fevicol. So let's do this. Or Sansevieria. So I'm using this baby plant grown with this mother plant. And now I'm gonna pluck this baby plant gently with hand. potting mix to the jar. to make it look more attractive. So let's do this. Now I'm adding some information about this plant. So our gift is ready. If you like this video, please do like, share and subscribe to my channel Garden Stories.